Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Irfan Azmi. This time, I will give you my opinion about smoking in campus area. Being a smoker or not a smoker is each person's choice. I chose not to smoke. In my opinion, all smokers shall be able to refrain for smoking in campus area. Smoking in campus area is a violation of campus regulation, and also smoking on campus area by the non-smoker like me. I feel uncomfortable and dizzy when I am near people are smoking. While I was studying at Bina Sarana Informatika University Cengkareng, I never saw anyone smoking on campus area. Maybe because so far only saw people smoking outside of the campus every time I go home, and that make me uncomfortable. For smoker inside or outside the campus area, stop smoking, or at least stay away if you want to smoke. Don't smoke in public place because it disrupt other people. Okay guys, that is my opinion about smoking in campus area. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Irfan Azmi. This time I will explain the material about question word. The question word. What are question word? Question word, also known as interrogative word, are words used to ask question. They are typically placed at the beginning of the sentences, are required an answer to provide information. English has a variety of question words to serve different purpose. For asking about person, identity, to asking about time and location. This is a list of the question word. First, who. Who is a question word to ask about the identity of the person or group of people employed in a particular event, activity, or context. Who function to help identify relevant people or subject in a context. Example, who. Who won the driver championship Formula One in 2021? Verstappen won the driver championship in 2021. Verstappen is the people. Other example, who is the current president of FIA? Answer, the current president of the FIA is Mohammed bin Sulayem. Next, what? What is a question used to ask about object, activity, or concept that occur or are influenced in a particular event, activity, or context? It is function to obtain information about certain object, activity, or concept in a conversation or situation. Example, what is your favorite food? Answer, my favorite food is a noodle. Next example, what is the capital city of Central Java? Answer, the capital of Central Java is Semarang. What are you doing this holiday? I will studying for the midterm exam. Next, when. When is a question word used to ask about the time or time period in which an event occurred. Its function is obtain information about certain time or period in a conversation or situation, as well as helping us to understand the sequence of schedule of an activity. Example, when did you arrive in Semarang? Kapan kamu tiba di Semarang? I arrived in Semarang on Sunday morning. Sunday morning is time. Other example, when is the next train to Block M? The train to Block M will arrive in 10 minutes. Next, where? Where is a question word used to ask about the location or place where an event occurred in a conversation or situation. Example, where did you go on vacation last year? Last year I went on holiday to Singapore. Singapore is a place. Untuk menjawab kata dari di mana ini. Other example, where are my book? Your book in my bag. Where do you walk? I walk in Tangerang. Okay, next, why? This word is used to ask the reason behind an event, action, happening, or situation. So, when we want to know why something happened or why someone did something, we can ask why. Why? Example, why are you late? Mengapa kamu telat? Because my motorbike has a problem. Karena motor saya dalam masalah. Motor saya memiliki masalah. Why are you looking so happy? Why are you looking happy? Because I got a perfect score in English class. Because. Why did she quit her job? She left because his workplace was so far from his house. Why should I trust you? Because I am honest person. Next, which to asking about choice, which is a question word to help us choose between several options. Each function to request information about particular choice from a number of available options to help us in decision making or to identify a specific object or person in particular situation or context. Example, which Formula One do win the world title? Max or Lando? Or atau memberikan pilihan. Answer, I think Max will win. Ini salah satu pilihan dari pertanyaan ini. Which circuit has the best racing this year? Miami Grand Prix or Austrian Grand Prix? Answer, Miami. I'm happy to see Lando win there. Which route is faster to get to the Block M via Jalan Panjang Street, via Panjang Street, or Legend S. Parman Street? Via Panjang Street is the faster route. This is a choice. Next, how? To asking about condition. How is a question word that is used to ask about the method or process by which an event or action is carried out. Its function to obtain information about the method, procedure involved in a situation or activity. Example, how do you bake a cake? Bagaimana cara membanggang kue? I bake the cake using the oven over medium heat. Next example, how do you solve this math problem? Bagaimana cara menyelesaikan masalah matematika ini atau soal matematika ini? You have to multiply the value for a and b first. This is the ini prosedurnya yang harus dilakukan supaya bisa menyelesaikan ini. How do you cook instant noodle? You just need to boil the noodle and mix them with the instant seasoning. Next, was is a question word that used to ask about ownership or whom a certain object or thing belongs. Example: was car is parked outside. That's my new car. That is my explain about question word. Sorry there if something wrong, and thank you.